Hello there, my name is Dipesh Khetia and you are watching Technical Dipesh Khetia. Do you want to change your cloth color but it isn't working good? When you try to change the cloth color, then also change its background and your skin tone. So how we will be do it? So let's do it. In Photoshop, change cloth color any color to any color. First click on that icon and select hue and saturation. After that click on hand tool and select color which you want to change it in different color. If it's not selected proper color, then you can select the proper color from here. Okay, so now I'm selected proper color which I get it. Now we can change its color. Now you can see it's only change your cloth color and not affected in your background color or your skin tone. I just tried to change in purple color. You can see the color of shadows is not selected properly. But thing is, when I'm changing purple color, the green color is also reflected in that dress. So just do little correction on color. And now it's selected properly. And change in any different color which you like it and which is your favorite color. You can also change in black or white. If you're interested in photo editing and video editing, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed to my channel, then make sure your bell icon is on. Thank you very much for watching a full video. Thank you.